Love it! Love the energy! Okay. Okay, let's go. This is our last performance. It was an emotional one, no?
Yeah.
Go-X, right? Yeah. Itong third song na to ay kumbaga parang nagre-reflect sa aming feelings ngayon. Woo! Feelings ngayon!
Parang umiiyak ka na.
Uy, hindi! Okay, thank you very much. Gusto na namin magpasalamat sa inyo guys, lalo na sa mga nag-stay. Thank you very much po. And thank you po sa lahat ng staffs and sa pag-invite po sa amin dito sa Ultimate Weekend Vibes. Yes, thank you very much po. Ayan. Okay, okay, we would like to invite you for tomorrow.
To follow us on our social media, COEX_PH. Yeah.
Yes, and stay tuned for our vlogs, other contents to make. Ayan, content. Okay, plug naman ang individual, no? Okay, hello, my name is Maddie. Instagram ko po ay Ange.Maddie. And to my Facebook, my name is Angelica Elaine Madayag. Wow, combo! Angelica Elaine Madayag. And to my TikTok, Ange.Maddie din po. So, ayan.
Hello guys, I'm Charles De La Cruz. Facebook, TikTok, IG, Charles De La Cruz.
Hi guys, I'm Angel. My Facebook, IG, TikTok, Angel Rodanas.
Hi everyone, I'm Paul Bulato and my Facebook is Paul Bulato. My TikTok and IG is at it's Paul Bulato.
Hello everyone, I'm Kael Concepcion. You can follow me on my social media sites at Kael Concepcion. Yun po.
Yes, so don't forget COEX, PH, so all Instagram accounts.
Correct. Do you have any show that they can watch out for?
Oh, currently, actually, meron po kami tomorrow for PSL soft opening launch. Yeah, so I think meron silang live. So, ayan. Yeah, so follow niyo po kami sa aming social media accounts to stay updated po sa lahat ng happenings ni COEX.
Okay, there you have it guys. COEX, talagang a group to watch out for. Thank you